don't do them, do it better. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into the glueless install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, because yeah, ma'am, no glue, no adhesive. All I use is mousse. Only mousse on this wig. Wait a minute, I done messed up. This is what I get for showing off. Let me slow down. So before we get into this install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Now, usually for Hairvivi, I don't like the fake scalp in my wig, but I guess they forgot because they did add the Cappuccino one to my wig, so we're gonna make it work. They also sent me the True-scalp tape, which is also in the Cappuccino color. This is what that looks like. If you haven't seen my previous Hairvivi videos, I did show you guys how to put that on. You pretty much just cut it to size and then place it on your lace, and it'll blend in just like the fake scalp. It helps with the appearance of the knots. Even though this unit is bleached to perfection, you still have that discoloration when it comes to your natural hair and the color of the lace. So it's still good to go in and blend your hairline or your parting space to match down to your scalp, so you're able to wear the unit without concealer. I'm not going to use mine because obviously they put the fake scalp in my unit, so there's no need for the scalp tape. Y'all saw in the unpackaging how the wig looks, so I'm not going to go over that again, but I am going to cut my tag off. Do not cut your tag off unless you are happy with your wig. Mine did come with the attached elastic band already in the wig. If that option is available for everybody, everybody should get it. So, you know, if you don't get it, make sure you contact them. It does have the silicone nape grip on the bands, which helps the band lay flat against your nape. And you know I like that because I'm rocking this wig glueless. I know I am. I hope so. Snug on my head. Now, even though this wig is ready to go out the pack and it smells good, you should still go in and wash all your human hair wigs. That's just what I suggest you do. I will not be washing this one before I do my styling because it's pretty much ready to go, but I will be washing it after this video. So again, wash your wigs, okay? The hairline is looking pretty natural. I'm not gonna go in and pluck anything because I feel like this is pretty much one of those ready to wear hairlines. When you are looking for a pre-plucked unit, this is what you should be looking for. It doesn't have to be all sparse because not everybody's hairline is sparse unless you really have thin edges, but most natural hairlines look like this. It has a gradual thickness from the hairline to the actual wefts inside the wig. Now that we didn't got that out the way, let's go ahead and just pin this joint up. Well, that's a cute little ponytail. Wait a minute. Most of the Hairvivi wigs do come, they do come styled and curled, but you know, because of the packaging, you will need to, you know, refresh those curls. So that's what I gotta do for this one. I need to take my glasses off first. Let me come up real close and make sure my ear tabs are where I need them to be. Okay, clip this down. All right, so I'm pretty much just cutting right up in my ear. Find that lace. So it should fit pretty much around my ear. Now I could definitely leave this hair how it is, but that's a little bit too thick for me personally. So I could definitely just cut some of that off. If you want to leave some of your hairline on like that, you can definitely do that. But I don't, for my wigs, I don't like my, my sideburns to be that low. I just cut that right on off. There we go. I just follow the shape of my ear. My ear is here. So I just use my finger, pull that hair down from around the ear, and then I will pin up the excess, and then I just keep pulling down the hair or pushing up the hair until I have the correct amount that I want to cut off. So for those of you who wear glasses, this is how you do that, okay? When you cut it around your ear, your glasses should still fit around your ear, okay? So when you put your glasses on, it slides right over that lace, right onto your ear. You should not have no bulging or anything with your glasses. Your glasses should fit flat. Let me just cut this in 3 so I can cut my lace off. I'm just putting my glasses under my lace so I can cut my lace off. Do not cut all the way to your hairline. You're cutting your lace off in front of the hairline. In front of the hairline, because you want to have a little excess lace on your wig. That helps the wig blend. If you cut it too far back into your hairline, it won't blend as well, and it'll look like you need to cut more out of your hairline or pluck more out of your hairline. Where's my razor? Make sure all the hair is pushed back. This one didn't have any baby hairs, and I don't mind it because y'all know I don't do no swoops. And it's not that I don't like them, I just can't do it. This one don't want to cut. What's going on? There we go. It does have combs on the side, so I could definitely put on my wig grip and tuck my combs under, which I probably will do. I just put the combs under my hair right now. I don't like how that feels. I'm trying to keep my edges, so let me just go ahead and take that back off. I don't want them problems. Now, to ensure my hairline and my lace is gonna lay flat and molded to me, I'm gonna use my Nairobi. Okay, that's a bar. That is a bar. I'm gonna use my Nairobi Wrap and Shine Mousse. 2 pumps on each side. Push all those hairs back. This is really taking no time at all, y'all. I'm just going really slow. I'm moving at a snail's pace today because I'm not in a rush. I have nowhere to be, so I appreciate y'all being here with me. Another bar. Oh, I got a hair right here. Where do you go? Swoop that a little bit. Okay. Push that back. Unfortunately, Hairvivi does not have a elastic band, so I'm gonna use my own. If you don't have one, I have them linked down below so you can grab one for yourself. Hairvivi, you got everything else but the band. Give us the band. Us, I mean me. Okay, give me the band. It already comes with a little curl in it, but because the hair was all packaged up, the curls are all bent and not cute. And this wig is a very natural density, so if you love, you know, more natural looking wigs, especially with this heat coming through, yeah, you may want to go ahead and try a more natural yucky density that still gives you the texture but not the thickness. I'm going to put a couple curls in this wig. I'm gonna curl it to the back. That parting space is looking a little bit too light for me. I'm gonna have to use some contour to darken that up a bit, but we'll get to that in a second. Probably doing like 4 curls on each side. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oop, I think I used too much hair in this one. Oh well. Oh well. I just thought about it. Y'all know what I don't have? Hairspray. I ran out of my hairspray months ago and I have not restocked that joint. I mean, I got Eben and Got2b, but that's not really the hairspray that I want. Tell me down below what's your favorite, you know, hairspray for holding your hair together. I can't believe I ain't got no hairspray. Ooh, it's flyaways up here. All in my face. Need to get those together. Yes, we're curling. Yes, we're curling. I did buy that that chi roller or something that Always Amir shared on her channel, and I'm still trying to figure it out. So until I figure it out, I won't be using it with y'all because I got to make sure I can explain it correctly when I show y'all. I can't be trying to learn it in the video. I'm not going to do that. Oh, that one was loose. I be dropping my curls too fast, and that's why they're not holding. The hair texture feels really good. Hairvivi has the high quality hair. If you are looking for a no fuss, all inclusive type of wig, this is going to be the one for you. But it does cost a pretty penny, so don't expect to get all of this and pay this. That's not going to happen. Okay, wait a minute. So understand what your pockets can handle, shopping your price point, and all will be just fine. This may be a window shopper for some people. That's cool. Start saving for Christmas. It's around the corner. God, it is March. I did that curl the wrong way. I did it the wrong way. There we go. Clip this hair to the back. Clip this hair to the back. I'm ready to party. Let me do a little eyeshadow and rouge, and then we'll come back and, you know, get the looks together. Okay? Be right back. Some of my curls have dropped. Make sure you hold the curlers for at least 15 to 20 seconds on each curl. I was holding it for maybe 5. My patience is real thin. Might as well drink my water while I'm waiting. Ooh, room temp. Take my band off so I can see how the hairline is. Looking good, looking good. Take these clips out. Take the glasses off so I can make sure it's pulled down where I want her to be. Right there is good. Okay. Pull the hairs forward. Just gonna clip that out my face. Put the glasses over top the lace like so. Perfecto. So I'm gonna use my excess foundation. May have to use my contour. It's a little ashy around my forehead. I just got to blend it in, so I'm gonna do a little bit of contour. I was looking a little pale. Dab it on the brush. Golly, I don't need to grow anymore. Goodness gracious. Now I'm gonna fix this parting space. So I'm gonna use this contour shade right here. Just tint it up a little bit. It's always easier to darken the lace than it is to lighten the lace. So even though they do have the fake scalp and the lace tape, the True-scalp tape, and mocha, the mocha is too dark for me. So the cappuccino works for me. I just gotta tint it a little bit. Need to fix my sides because they're not sitting how I want them to. It's giving me a square look. So I'm gonna tighten down the band first of all. And then if I still need to, I'll put on my wig grip. That fits a lot better. Take my edge brush and just brush out some of these hairs right here. Give it a little wispy look. I want them to look very natural. Use my wide tooth comb, comb the curls out, and use my paddle brush. Smooth out the hair a little bit more. The parting space is definitely, that's definitely 6 inches, but if you don't need that much, you can definitely close it up. Flyaways are kind of attacking me right now. All right, let's smooth that out. The curls are not exactly how I want them, but we're gonna leave it alone. I do have a headband. Let's see how that will look. I wish it was a little bit tighter around my head. I mean, could I bobby pin it? Okay, y'all, so this is the look. Nothing crazy. The hairline looks good. The bleach knots look good. The texture is nice. The curls are not really holding for me just because I can't get them to hold. So, you know, it could be the hair. It could be me. I don't know. When it comes to kinky and yucky textures, I'm not really looking for the curls to last all day. I can get a Synthetica for that. So this is pretty much what we got. I put the headband on for a little razzle dazzle, and I like how this looks on me. Would you consider this to be beginner friendly? Would you pay for the convenience of a wig like this? Let me know what works for you, okay? Because this right here works for me. This is definitely an everyday wig if I wanted to do something outside of curly. The yucky throw on and go would definitely be a vibe for me. I'm not getting no shedding or tangling. The hair quality is really nice. The density is very nice. I know I like me a thick texture, but when it comes to yucky, I don't mind the sleekness of the yucky texture. Outside of them not cutting the lace off for you, which they may want to go ahead and start doing. Hello. This is pretty much ready to wear. If Hairvivi wants to start a service where they cut the lace off for you, listen. Do Hairvivi have closures? Because what if they start offering closures, you know, that 4x6 or 6x4, however you want to say it, with the pre-cut lace? But this situation, listen. This is taking me back to my high school hallway days. I didn't have this hair, but some girls had this hair, okay? I ain't trying to be them, I'm trying to be me with the texture, thank you. Don't do them, do it better. I love it. Let me get up out of here for somebody try to cuss me out. Okay. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.